Alright, so this is basically after the exhaust leak was fixed. Just show you what it sounds like now. It's much quieter. And that's it. So nice and smooth. Pop the hood as well, just so you can hear that. You can hear it doesn't sound so loud anymore. It's still loud, but yeah, there it is. Burn away. So far so good.